I'm Julien Tongourian, executive chef of Robuchon Dôme, Macau in the Grand Lisboa. For me, Macau is a very concentrated city. I moved in Macau 10 years ago. I come on the luggage of Mr. Robuchon with one luggage just for 1 week to travel, and I stay for 10 years here. The first place I want to introduce you is Chokwan Beach. It's my favorite place for the Sunday family day. It's a very quiet place where we cannot find too much tourists, and we love to chill the Sunday here. I think this one is a secret place only for very Macanese citizens. For fine dining restaurant, I really recommend the 8 family lunch for go to dim sum. This one is my favorite. It's so cute. I really like the design of the dim sum. What he's making is a lot of time, a lot of passion for doing like this, for doing some very beautiful ladybug or golden fish. It's very technique, and it's something you cannot see everywhere. I really love the Peking duck. It's one of the first dish I try when I come to Hong Kong. It's really something very special. You cannot see something like this in France. The texture is so nice. It's so crispy, and crispy fatty like this is very addictive. I can eat every day. It look like similar to what we do in Robuchon. Something making simple, can understand very good the flavor, but plating with a lot of minutie. This is Margaret egg tarts. It's a more famous one in Macau. Everybody come here to buy some egg tarts. It's so fresh, it's so creamy, so sweet, so nice. Margaret egg tart is a very easy place to buy something to eat. If you have a little bit hungry on the afternoon, go to take an egg tart. It's always fresh back end. I recommend you all Taipa Tavern for drink a beer on the night with friends. You can have a very good beer here and some small sausage roll like this, very casual food, very good food. Sunday afternoon or Saturday afternoon with the kids is a very nice place, a very quiet place. And this one can memory me a little bit of Europe. Macau is a lovely city with a lot of diversity for the culture and the food. I really recommend Macau to come to visit for a lot of fine dining experience and entertainment experience.